You ever wondered what happens during a hearing test? Let's take you behind the scenes at HearFon. First, you will meet our friendly audiologist who will guide you through the process. At HearFon, we ensure you are comfortable every step of the way. We start by understanding your medical history and lifestyle. This helps us tailor the test to your unique needs. Next, we check your ears for any wax or infections. A healthy ear is the key to accurate results. Now the next part, you will listen to sounds and tones at different volume and frequencies. All you need to do is to press a button when you hear them. We also test how well you can hear and understand speech in quiet and noisy situations. After the test, we will explain your results in simple terms and discuss the best options if hearing loss is detected.